Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chain up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am taking you along with me. I am starting the process of resetting my home for the winter season. Y'all know I live in a cold climate and our winters here are super long because I live in the mountains. And so I am starting the process of resetting my home. So today we're going to be in my foyer and I'm going to be cleaning it and redecorating it. Also, you're going to see me using a lot of the same things that I used in my Christmas decor, just because I want to stay neutral and kind of bringing back that neutral, that calmness, that light and bright and airy feeling to my space. So I'm going to be using a lot of the trees, and I may use a reindeer or two, and just a lot of the regular home furnishings that I normally use in my decor on a regular basis. So these are just going to be like these decor pieces that you're going to see me using. I'm actually just using them for now because my foyer, my entire downstairs is getting a makeover, and you are definitely going to be seeing that process unfolding. So definitely stay tuned, and I would love for you to watch this video from beginning to end because it helps my channel out a great deal. Also, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Shushana. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to join me here on my channel. I do lots of home decor, seasonal decors, cleaning motivation, and some lifestyle videos. So I upload weekly, and if that's something that you're interested in watching, I would love for you to go ahead and support me by subscribing and definitely hitting that bell twice so you don't miss any of my notifications. Also, leave your comments down below. Let me know where you're watching from, and also introduce yourself to me because I love talking with my fams. Thank you so much for joining me today, and let's go ahead and get cleaning.
I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up.
Also, if you notice, I slowed the video down. I just wanted to be more of a relaxing cleaning. I didn't want to breeze through it, and speed up the video. I figure you guys can just throw me up on your television or wherever you're watching me from, and we can definitely clean and reset our homes together. I feel like we're coming down from this fast-paced Christmas holiday season, fall season and everything, and I just kind of wanted to have like a chill relaxed video where you guys can clean with me if you are in that state of mind and in that process as well. So I would love to hear what you guys have to say about this video. Do you guys like it relaxed and laid back like this, or do you like it when I speed up the videos?
I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to do. me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without
So right here, I am just switching out my greenery from the Christmas berries to my regular everyday greenery. And I do keep this up, you know, every single day. I don't change it out for the season, really. It's in my home somewhere. Even during Christmas, y'all saw it was on my mantle, and then it was on my side table in my living room. But I just wanted to swap it out and, you know, put it in the foyer, because I feel like for the winter time, and even like the springtime, greenery just gives your home so much life. I would love to do live plants, honestly, but I kill all my live plants. They don't last for more than a day. So I'm showing you guys, I have like the different types of berries. I have the ones with the pine cones and white berries, and then the ones with the red berries on them. So I'm going to put the red berries away, and I'm going to be using the white berries and the pine cones because it's just winter. It just, you know, it looks like winter to me. And when I look out my windows, that's what I see anyway, because I'm surrounded by trees and berries and pine cones and bears and all that, you know, crazy stuff. So there goes my Nyla BZ. They're off from school, so you're going to see my kids in the video because, you know, it's every day, it's daily life. This is what we do. So here I am just switching things out and just making it really simple for the time being. Like I said, this is going to change. I have a dilemma. Okay. So I'm wanting to switch out my console table and do something that is more of like a furniture piece, like a more substantial furniture piece, and something that maybe is just a little bit smaller in length. But I'm conflicted. I am loving my table, you guys, and I want it to be somewhere in my home, but this is pretty much the only place that it can be because I did make it for this space right here, but I want to change it out and do something different. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Should I change it out and do something different, more transitional, or should I just leave it and try to work with it the best way that I can? Let me know.
Everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you,
can't live without, oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him.
So I am so upset, you guys, because I loved this little tree, this Christmas tree. I thrifted this silver and rhinestone, well, silver and crystal rhinestone from the Goodwill years ago, and I found it, I believe it was $2.99, and I loved it so much, and I am so bummed out because it fell and broke. Oh my gosh, I'm so bummed out. So I'm just going to clean it up because I don't want any of my kids, they are home from school, they're on break, so I don't want any of them to, step on the carpet or the floor and get glass in their feet. So I'm going to pick it up, sweep it up, and then I'm going to whip out my vacuum and vacuum it up just so that, none of the shards get into our feet, because we walk bare feet or we wear socks in our home. We don't wear shoes. So I am so bummed out, you guys. I can't believe this happened. Like, I've just been breaking things all day. I'm breaking my Christmas trees, breaking my baubles, my glass baubles. Y'all pray for me. I've been breaking things all day, so we're gonna go ahead and get this all cleaned up.
Feeling new, even if we're staying in bed. My heart is saying yeah. You know I want him nah. My heart is saying yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter.
So guys, I want to be nosy. I want to be curious. Let me know what you guys are doing for the New Year's, you guys. What's your plan? Like, are you guys going to be with family? Are you going out to celebrate the New Year? Or are you just going to stay in? Are you going to church? What are you guys' plans for the New Year? So our plans is we're going to be relaxing because it's been a long year. It's been a great year, but it's been a long year, you guys. And oh my gosh, we are tired. Okay. We are exhausted. So we're going to be doing church online, and we're going to stay home and eat and, celebrate. I don't know if we're going to, stay up for too long, because I feel like I literally can't stay up past 8 o'clock. I'm forcing myself when I'm staying up past 8 o'clock, because I do go to work and I get home sometimes by like 11:30. But y'all, a sister's tired, okay? I'm exhausted. So we're going to definitely stay home and jam in our jammies to the music and just really ring the New Year's together, which I am so excited about. We'll probably do like some game night and food and, trivia, something like that. And I'll definitely vlog it if you guys want to see that. But I am so excited about a fresh start. I am so excited about the newness of the new year that's happening. And I'm telling you, God is already doing amazing things. So I'm so excited to see what he's going to do in our lives in 2022. I am very hopeful. I am very grateful. And I am expecting. I am staying in a state of great expectancy. When it comes to the promises of God in my life, in our family's lives, in our household. So definitely let me know what you are looking forward to this year and what your plans are for the New Year's. I am not going to be having a New Year's resolution. I don't do that. I don't ever have that because I don't stick to it. So I'm just going to live my life, living it like it's golden, y'all. But that's what I plan on doing next year, and every year after is just living the good life that God has given me, and spending it with my family and my loved ones, maybe doing some more traveling, and things like that. So definitely go ahead and let me know what you guys are planning for next year and what you are hoping for next year. want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. This was so much fun, you guys. I love cleaning videos, and I hope that you guys love them too. So I am going to see you guys in the next episode. It's going to be another Christmas takedown, and I'm trying to film them for you guys back to back, so hopefully I can get that done for y'all. But I am going to be attacking my dining room in the next episode, so definitely stay tuned. You want to join, make sure you're subscribed, make sure that bell is on, so that you don't miss any of my notifications. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you guys are having a fantabulous day. Don't forget that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.